with the garbage truck. I just came out. I'm drunk and I'm irrational, and I've just eaten this food, and it is the best thing I've eaten in years.
I got the sausage wrap. It's better than that truck. It's better than that truck. It's better than any truck on this street.
This is orgasmic.
What'd you get?
A dirty, nasty trash plate with like hamburgers, fries, and macaroni salad. Oh my gosh, this is like, I need a moment.
It's got some Maui Mac, it's got a little bit of potatoes, and it's delicious.
I'm eating a cheeseburger trash plate. I thought I wanted a bun, but I didn't want a bun because this is everything that I wanted and more.
Best trash plates you'll see this side of the Mississippi over here. Our potatoes with some mac salad.
Wow, I can't put my fork down.
It's burger and mac and cheese and potatoes, and it's amazing. And the hamburger and fries is really good too.
From the East Coast, and this
For sure.
this takes me home. It seriously tastes.
So good.
It tastes like home. It tastes like the restaurants I would go to at home. This is awesome. This is great food.
Who would you recommend this to?
Everybody.
Everybody.
We're gonna definitely recommend it. Actually, they already Twittered it. It's already on it.
You wanna get shredded? Get that. Get that. Get that. No pain. No gain.
I don't care. I'm enjoying this. I'll find this truck again. I'll hunt it down.
Would you recommend this to anybody?
Dude, I'll reckon my coworkers are all right here. This guy's getting it right here.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. You know, like.
What did you say? The messier, the better, the what?
It's better than my job. It's better than Olive Garden. Garbage plates! Garbage plates!
Best thing ever. Reminds me like I'm back in Buffalo.
Check it out. Check it out. Find this truck.